All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man, Jay. It is time to show you the underrated, slept-on Galaxy S24 Plus. Yes, I bought this even though I have the S24 Ultra. So I'll be using this phone and the phone I'm recording with as my primary devices. This will be my primary device. The Ultra is my secondary, and the iPhone 15 Pro that I'm recording with is my third SIM card. So I do have another phone number, but it's just in the it rotates between all the other phones. But nonetheless, let's get into why I said this is a sleeper. First off, it has a 6.7-inch Quad HD display. Right there, the game changes right there. Right there, it changes. The 50 megapixel shooter is still there. You've got 12 gigs of RAM, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, 4,900 milliamp hour battery inside. And folks, this has an aluminum frame. I had never touched this phone or even seen it before, even gave it any interest because I had the Ultra, and we still have the S23 Plus, and I'll bring that in another video. But for now, this has an aluminum frame, and it's like that brushed aluminum. Really nice. You got front and back glass at Victus 2, Gorilla Glass Victus 2. You have a dynamic LTPO AMOLED times 220 Hertz HDR10 display with a peak brightness in nits of 2600. This is a serious sleeper, folks. This is a serious sleeper. Always on display. Pretty much everything the Ultra has, this phone can pretty much do it, just about. It's in a different body, and I think this is going to be the killer device that I should have picked up first, but I had to get that Ultra. So check this out. Android 14, One UI 6.1. It has a 256 gigs storage and 512 gigs of storage. Both options have 12 gigs of RAM, but this has UFS 4.0, folks. That is important. You need to transfer files and do things with the device. You're going to be speeding along at the fastest speed possible for the device. So 50 megapixel wide on the back, 10 megapixel telephoto, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 8K at 30 frames per second, folks. Don't sleep on it. 12 megapixel wide on the front that shoots a peak of 4K at 60 frames per second. And both cameras have auto HDR, and they're both HDR10 compliant. Plus, I might add, HDR10 plus. Stereo speakers, 32-bit audio tuned by AKG, Bluetooth 5.3, Type-C 3.2, and get this, the Type-C port is a display port at 1.2, and you have OTG on the go. So you also have an ultrasonic fingerprint reader, Samsung DeX, Samsung wireless DeX. You have access to the ultra wideband support for your network. Oh man, 45 watt wired charging, 65% in 30 minutes, 15% wireless charging, 4.5 watts reverse charging, 15 watt wireless charging, 45 watt wired charging. The excitement. Comes in onyx black, marble gray, cobalt violet, amber yellow, jade green, sandstone orange, and sapphire blue. Whew. This is a good deal right here, folks. I went to Best Buy, walked in the door, got this for $850. Couldn't beat it. Now, with all that tech stuff run down, let's show you the device. This thing is so nice. They need to work on these pull tabs, though, because I should be able to rip these joints with ease. Check this out. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. In the box, yeah, whatever. I'm not going to do you like that. Who cares about the stuff in the box? Check this out. This is now the brushed aluminum, and I will show you this next to the iPhone 15 Pro because it is pretty much the same as the iPhone 15 Pro in the way it looks. This isn't titanium, this is aluminum, but they did some major changes to this device because it's so lightweight. It is lightweight. I can't believe this is the same phone that I've been using for the S23 Plus. Like the model, they completely revamped this. The changes are so subtle, but so much, you just don't even think it's a change. But when I saw this color, I was like, oh no, this is on and popping. I gotta get this joint. Got to. So nice. On the side here, you see you got your volume rocker and your power button. On the back here, you got those beautiful cameras set up. It is flat all the way around, which is so nice. Obviously, you got your two cutouts there, your antenna there, your antenna there, antenna there, antenna there. Big 5G antenna there, antenna, SIM tray, Type-C, microphone, speaker. Look at this. Yes. This display is going to be so fire. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get this fired up, get all my stuff transferred, and this is going to be nice. So here is my S24 Ultra. Make sure I get unlocked here. Here is my S24 Ultra. Basically, this phone is a rounded, more comfortable to hold S24 Ultra. That's the way I see it. I'm going to transfer my information from here to here. And I'm just pumped at this is so crazy how lightweight this phone is, man. I'm not gonna bore you with the setup, but gosh, man, this is a beautiful display, and it just feels so much better than the Ultra. Now, obviously, I still have my S23 Ultra. Here's my Z Fold 5. Here's my Z Flip 5. I have a lot of Samsung phones, and all the other Samsung phones in the other room over there, but this S24 lineup, man, this is freaking crazy right here, man. I should have grabbed this a long time ago. I slept on it though. But I'm also really glad that I got this color. I did not like the other colors, man. Nothing wrong with them, but this color is the fire color. Because I saw it, it reminded me of my iPhone 15 Pro. I was like, yes. I was like, yeah, that's it right there, son. That's the one. This color is butter. This is crazy. This is a crazy, crazy sick color. So what color do you have? Did you even get this sleeper right here, man? Ooh, wee. This is crazy right here. I'm telling you, this is a fire color. And the phone itself is so lightweight. I can't wait to get it all set up, transfer all my stuff over, and this is going to be on point. I'm about to pop my SIM card in here and get this thing going. But nonetheless, man, it's your man Jay. I hope you guys enjoyed. Here it is, my brand new S24 Plus. I'm telling you, I'm getting ready to ride this thing. I'm going to plug it up, do my transfer, my data transfer, get everything off of there, and it's going to be on and popping from there. So I got to get me a leather case. I got to get a screen protector. I got to do a bunch of stuff. I like to do the phones when I first get them because I don't like to wear cases unless I'm going outside sometimes. And ultimately, it's probably going to end result getting a real ultra thin case like that. But anyway, it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. It is here. Finally, I decided to pull the trigger and go over there and buy it. I'm telling you, right off the rip, the hardware, whatever, is definitely worth the funds. This color and everything, the way it's all set up is so nice. I can't really wait to test out this screen and these cameras. Ugh, it's gonna be sick, man. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.